Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about the subject F.I.T, that is Fundamental of Information Technology. So in this video we are going to discuss about the paper presentation and preparation of F.I.T subject, and F.I.T subject is only for 50 marks, only for 50 marks students, and this subject is only for BCom computer application students only, not for general students. So you are having your 50 marks in FIT subject. You are going to write 50 marks question paper in final examination, and another 50 marks will be allotted by your college faculty by conducting practicals, record writing, internal examination. 50 marks will be given from your college, and another 50 marks you are going to write it in a final examination. Passing marks is 18 marks is passing for 50 marks. So in this video, what are the questions you need to learn and how you should present that answers in the answer booklet, everything we will discuss in this video. Because as you are in a semester 1 who's pursuing your BCom semester 1 in under Usmania University, so for them this video will be more useful. So if your another university students are watching, means if the syllabus content is same, means you can learn from this mark. Okay, so this video will be useful for the semester 1 because you are the new to the degree uh, course, right? So that's why I'm doing this video, which will be helpful to you all. Total 5 units you will have, students. So in this 5 units only you will get that 50 marks. So how you will be the question paper pattern? Part A consists of 10 marks, means 5 questions you need to attempt, each carries 2 marks, which it is equal to 10 marks. Part A is consisting, they will give 8 questions. Out of 8 questions you need to attempt 5 questions, each carries 2 marks. So it is a 2 marks, right? 6 to 7 sentences is enough. No need to write lengthy answers for the 2 marks. Okay, so just 6 to 7 sentences is enough. And the part B is consisting of 5 questions you need to attempt, each carries 8 marks. 5 8s are 40. Part B is of 40 marks, part A is of 10 marks, total 50 marks question paper. So 9th question, 10th question, 11th question, 12th question, and 13th question. 5 questions are there. In each question you will have internal choice A, B, A, B, A, B, like that. Or option will be there. Either in 9th question you can attempt A question or B question. Internal choice you will have. 9th question will come from first unit. 10th question will come from second unit. 11th question will come from third unit. 12th question will come from fourth unit, and the 13th question will come from fifth unit. So this is the question paper pattern. I hope that you all are clear with the question paper pattern, students. Now we will discuss about the each and every unit, quick revision. In first unit, what are the things you are learning in first unit, everything. In unit number 1, 3 questions I will give, students. Explain input and output devices. This is an important question. And the second question is classification of computer, or you can also call it as types of computer. Another thing name is types of computer also you can. And the third question is generations or block diagram of computer. If you are perfect with these 3 questions, one long question you can attempt for 8 marks, and definitely one short question you can attempt for 2 marks. 10 marks you can score if you learn these 3 answers. If you learn these 3 answers, you can score 10 marks. Long question 1 you will attempt from 9th question, 8 marks. One definite short question, what they will ask, what is mean by computer, what is mean by block diagram, like this they will ask. 2 marks you are attempting. Total 10 marks you are attempting from unit number 1 if you are perfect with these 3 questions. Okay, so now we will discuss about the unit number 2. In unit number 2, what are the things you need to learn? In unit number 2, number system, binary arithmetic, and the third one is secondary storage of data. Secondary data. If you are perfect with these three questions, if you are perfect with these three questions, one long questions you can easily attempt, which consist of 8 marks, and one short question which consisting of 2 marks. Definitely 10 marks you can attempt by learning these three questions. Number system. What is mean by number system? One answer you will there. That you need to be perfect. Binary arithmetic means what? That is also you need to perfect. Secondary storage of data. That is also an important question. If you are perfect with these three questions, one long and one short, which consisting of 10 marks weightage in this. Passing marks is 18. In first unit that three questions. In second unit these three questions means 20 marks you are attempting. Okay, if you want only passing marks in this subject, try to learn any 3 units questions which I was giving for that questions. Okay, write any learn any 3 units important questions which I am giving in this video. You can easily get passing marks in this subject. Not passing marks, 30 marks you can score out of 50 if you're perfect with this 3 units, any 3 units. Okay, so now we will discuss about the third unit, students. Okay, so, students, in third unit, you are learning these three questions about software. What is mean by software? What are the different software programs you are having? This is an important question. And the second important question is what is mean by MS Excel and what is mean by spreadsheet? Spreadsheet they will ask for short also, definite questions and damn sure questions. And the last and the least important question is DBMS, database management system. So this is also an important questions. If you are learning with these three questions, one long question pakka you will attempt for 8 marks and one short questions pakka you will attempt for 2 marks. Total 10 marks weightage you are attempting if you are perfect with these three questions. One question will definitely repeat in the examination question paper. Okay, from third unit these are the three questions, students. Okay, now we will discuss about the fourth unit. In fourth unit, what are the topics you are having, what are the things you need to prepare, everything we will discuss now. In fourth unit, types of operating system and functions of operating system. Out of these two questions, pakka one question will get repeated, which consisting of 8 marks plus 2 marks shorter, 10 marks you can score by learning these two questions. If you learn these two questions, you can able to attempt 10 marks weightage in the examination booklet from unit number 4. Definite question will come from long, one short question. Definitely they will ask. Okay, so the last unit in fundamentals of information technology is in fifth unit, communication media, or you can also call transmission media. And the next important question is types of network, types of topologies. 8 marks pakka long question you will attempt by learning this 3 question and one short question 2 marks, which is of 10 marks. Communication media, you will have wired media, wireless media. Wi-Fi is a wireless media that you will explain in this. Types of networks. How many types of networks you will have? LAN, MAN, WAN. You need to explain each. LAN means what? Local area network. In that local area network, what are the advantages and disadvantages you are having? In MAN, metropolitan area network. In that, what are the advantages and disadvantages? Okay, and the WAN, wide area network. If you want to draw the diagrams also you can draw to score the good marks. Definitely, if you are interested in drawing the diagrams, that is also. And the types of topologies. How many topologies you are having? 6 topologies. Star topology, bus topology, ring topology, mesh topology, hub topology, like this types of topologies you are having. In each topology you are having the diagram. If you are bus topology, how you will have the diagram like this? No, this is a bus topology diagram. Draw this diagram and explain about the bus topology. Ring topology, h1, h2, h3, like this ring, h4. Okay, mesh topology, this is star topology, hub topology, like this type of topologies you are having. Okay, in each unit or whatever the units you are learning, in each unit you are attempting 10 marks. Total how many you are attempting? 50 marks question paper you are attempting by learning my questions which I have discussed in this video. Okay, so now how much you are learning is not important, how much you are putting it into the answer booklet is important. Now we will discuss about the how you should present your answers in the answer booklet. So students, this is your booklet, single rule booklet you will have, and the paper correction is digital correction, not manual correction, and use only black pen. Okay, only black pen for side headings, for the matter, for the diagrams, everything you need to use only black pen. So if you are attempting part B, write like this: part B, draw one line here. Here you write question number. In which question you are attempting? Question number 9 you are attempting. In ninth question, A question you are attempting, B question you are attempting, A question you are attempting. What they were asked, what is mean by network? Explain the different types of network. The question is there. What is mean by network? Network, you need to draw, write like this. The definition of network. Here, networks means like this. There are different types. Like this you need to draw. After drawing network, leave one line, and here what they ask, types of network, and after that draw one line here. First type, LAN. LAN stands for local area network. Like this you need to present the answers. You, if it is a wrong spelling mistake, no need to strike like this. Just bracket, give brackets and write like this, X mark. No need to strike like this. If you are striking like this, how the question paper will look, how the answer paper will look? Nobody will allot you the marks. So that's why these are the tips you need to follow in the examination booklet. And the for long, two sides is enough. This is the one side and the back side. Two sides is enough. 2 hours only is the time duration. For short, 5 to 6 sentences is enough. For short, 5 to 6 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines is enough, more than enough for 2 marks. So for long, 2 sides. For short, 6 sentences is enough. So this is about the FIT question paper and the paper presentation and the paper preparation, everything. I hope that everything I have discussed in this video. If you're having any doubts related to this subject or related to this video, you please comment me in the comment section. Definitely I will try to answer it. Okay, if you're having any further doubts related to the semester 1, you can ask me in the comment section. And the notes PDF I have uploaded in the Telegram group. All the links I have given in the description box. If you're having any further doubts and if you want the notes PDF means, you can join with that links I have mentioned in the description box. Okay, so once again, all the very best and thank you so much. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and groups, because this will be useful for them also. And if you share means, I will also get motivation to do the further videos, right? So once again, all the very best for your examination and all the very best for your preparation. See you all next video. Bye bye.